Welcome to VoiceBootcamp, a global name in unified communication. Hello, my name is Faisal Khan, Cisco collaboration instructor at voicebootcamp.com. In this video, we're going to talk about the decision element of our voice application. Now, even the basic application that you might have may require some sort of decision capability. So, for example, you may want to compare two values to make sure that user have entered certain number of digit, or you may want to collect digit and then compare that digit with the database value, right? So you could use a decision element to kind of make that happen. Now, although most decisions are in a Boolean nature, meaning true or false, but some environment where you could have more than one true statement but one false statement. So in our decision element, you will have an exit state. Now, one of them will be true and one of them will be false. But you can customize it to have more than more than two exit state if you desire. Now you can configure a decision element you can edit the decision element using the editor. You can supply it with XML files, or you can create a Java of class or even URI. So let's take a look at how decision element can be used to compare values against a static object versus against dynamic object. So here you will see that I have a very basic application just started, the start of the application and then the CVP sub dialog. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drag and drop a decision element. Now, keep one thing in mind, I am using ICM Enterprise to transfer the call to the call studio, and ICM is going to pass two value, okay? So let's call those two value, I don't know, num A, num B, okay? And we're going to compare if the value of num A is equal to num B, then play welcome prompt. Otherwise, play enter your zip code. So to do that, I'm going to first rename this, call num decision, my decision. And what I'm going to do is connect the CVP sub dialog to that, so that I'm done with that. Now I'm expecting there will be two value coming into the application, num A, num B, and we're going to compare them and see if the value is correct. So to do that, I have a couple of options. I'm going to start with the decision editor first, then I'm going to show you how to create something in XML. So the decision editor allows me to select the decision I want to make, and I'm going to say if session data num A, I'm going to keep the same variables, equal